some guests coming in this afternoon, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to show everyone what they can expect on arrival. So follow me and I'll take you on a bit of a tour. First stop will be the main king size bed and bedroom. Followed by a look at the ensuite bathroom and all the things in there which we provide. Plenty of wardrobe storage space. Quick look at the laundry. Everything you need to do any washing. On the left are the extra bathroom and the extra queen size bedroom. This is the lounge. As you can see, with a fantastic view through to the sea, over the Gap Bridge, where the cockle train comes across. Out into the courtyard. If you need to get away from the wind, perfect spot. Moving into the kitchen, which will give you an idea of all the little extras we provide. Everything locally sourced. Our wines are from Primo Estate, one of Mclaren Vale's finest wineries, plus a tasting voucher of their premium wines, which is all included. I'll just take you out onto the deck. Another look at the courtyard with barbecue. And now it's time for someone to bring me a glass of wine.